Welcome back, everyone. Hope everybody is having an awesome day. So today I'm going to be installing a new JaxWax product on my truck here. Something new that they just came out with at SEMA 2019, and I'm excited for it. I've kind of always thought, oh, it'd be awesome if there was a product like this out there, and now they have came out with this product. So in case you guys haven't already seen it, this is just a lid to it, but it is clarity glass coating. So pretty much so it's a ceramic coating for your windows. Pretty much so what it is, but it's called clarity glass coating. It's pretty much so. It's kind of more so a little more than the ceramic coating, because they give you the glass coating itself, and then while that's on there, you have to spray an activator here on it as well. But yeah, it's way easier than putting ceramic coating on and way less time to put it on. So I'm going to get that installed for you guys today. It says it repels ice, snow, and water. I'm excited to see this. It says it lasts 90 days, and then you get your glass enhancer, which enhancer and the directions they're calling it activator. So you get this, since it's such a large bottle of it. After 90 days, it says to respray this on your windows, and then your glass coating should be clarity enhancer should be good upwards of a year. So that's awesome. It's pretty much so that's a 1 year supply kit there for your windows. You put the coating on your windows, it lasts up to 90 days. I'll probably put the enhancer on it every 2 months, just to kind of keep up on your windows and stuff, and keep it beading water real good, just like the truck is. But yeah, so that's all the info on that, so let's get started. Okay guys, so something else, I got my JaxWax. They also came out with their new glass cleaner. I got that also when I ordered this, so I'm gonna go ahead and shine out the windows and get them ready to go for the glass coating. How much of a pain in the butt is for water to be sitting on your mirrors all the time, so we'll do them too. Okay guys, so the windows are clean. I'm getting ready to put the glass coating on the vehicle. I can say from whenever I did the ceramic coating on the vehicle versus now, they do have some nicer blocks here. I'm assuming this is how you do it, because you can't really put anything on with that, but you wrap it up in your little mitt here. That's an improvement, I think. These are some really nice towels. I wish I had about 30 of these. They're nice. You can definitely feel a difference if you just go from this window to this window. It's like this one's like, feels like you're dragging it across, like you're dragging these two gloves together. You can feel it. You go to this window, it just glides right across it. Definitely a difference. That's impressive, just to feel. Yeah, just like rubbing Just like rubbing these two gloves together. That's what that feels like. Then put some lotion on your hands, rub that together. That's what that feels like. Okay, so I've kind of went and I've let the coating kind of sit overnight, kind of like you did with ceramic coating, kind of let it chill for 24 hours. So I've let it chill for 24 hours. So you guys ready to see the results? No, I didn't. Did you? Beads right off. It's awesome. It's pretty cool. I like that. It's pretty much it's just kind of like you got ceramic coating on your windows. It's just awesome. It just beads water off. I'm just ready. I don't want to get the truck dirty by driving it in the rain, but yet I want to drive in the rain, just see how it repels everything. I think that'd be awesome. So hope everyone enjoyed that little install video and showing everyone. I know when I looked it up on YouTube, I hadn't really seen any videos on it yet. And I'd had it here for a short few, so I was like, that's something I need to make a video on. So there it is. There's the coating. You can see it's got just a couple little water spots, but like it's not like there's a ton of water sitting on it, laying on it. So it should just slide right off of it like butter if you're going down the interstate at 65 miles an hour and it's pouring rain down. So cool. But yeah, so I'll put the link to that, to the Clarity. Hold on. It is actually Clarity Glass Coating. So I will put the link to this in the description below. I believe it's about 50 bucks on JaxWax to do it. It's pretty much so for a year supply. I am overly happy with the product. So it's pretty awesome. Got the truck ceramic coated, and got the windows now ceramic coated, and it looks awesome. Beads water. I'm ready to drive in the rain to see how awesome it works. But yes, I hope everyone enjoyed that little video, and I hope that was helpful for everyone. If you guys are looking to invest in this for your truck, I highly recommend it. I gave it 2 thumbs up. You can see 1 right now. But yeah, hope everyone enjoyed the video, and I'll catch everyone in the next one. Have a blessed day, everyone. See you in the next one.